Whether you need to design equipment for processing, packaging, handling, moving or lifting, the powerful tools in SOLIDWORKS make designing your next project fast and pain-free. Let's take a look at how SOLIDWORKS enables those in the special purpose machinery sector get the right design first time. Creating parts in SOLIDWORKS is easy, with dedicated tools for the creation of machine parts, sheet metal components, and welded frames and structures. Machine parts are built up from straightforward features, enabling you to add and remove material in any way you like. And library-based features, such as the Hole Wizard, make adding counterbore, countersink, tapped and slotted holes easy. Using the powerful SOLIDWORKS CAM tools, you can create and review toolpaths before sending your designs straight to manufacture. With sheet metal, you can design the parts you need in their folded state. Edge flanges, hems, jogs and corner treatment can all be added quickly. And with a single click, SOLIDWORKS takes care of the flat pattern development. For those designing with cut from length material, Weldments is the tool for you. A pre-built library of box section, parallel flange, angle, tube and round make creating frameworks effortless. You can even add your own custom profiles to the library too. It's commonplace for machinery to have a number of moving parts, and assembling these in SOLIDWORKS is easy. The advanced assembly tools make checking for clearances, tolerances and interferences simple, ensuring that each component fits exactly as expected. SOLIDWORKS Toolbox also provides you with a pre-built library of nuts, bolts and washers that automatically resize as you position them, and essential for when there are hundreds of fasteners to specify. In SOLIDWORKS, 2D drawings are driven directly from the 3D model. Therefore, if the model changes, so does the 2D drawing. Views, bills of materials, balloons, and dimensions can all be added in a few clicks, enabling you to get your designs out of the door fast. Validating your designs can remove the need to create costly, time-consuming prototypes and gives you the peace of mind that your design is fit for purpose. The integrated design and simulation tools within SOLIDWORKS allow you to test for any eventuality, building confidence into your design and helping you get to market faster. With the amount of engineering data that is created throughout the design process, it's important that files can be stored and managed securely, and SOLIDWORKS PDM does this easily. SOLIDWORKS PDM allows for checking in and out of documents with features including history recognition, data stamping, and revision numbering. These are just a few capabilities of SOLIDWORKS. If you would like to know more about how SOLIDWORKS could help your company to design faster and create better products, please visit our website or get in touch using the details on screen.